Juneberries are special because of their link to the past. They were used extensively by all the tribes on the northern Great Plains. They're one of the many plants that there's a great interest in revitalizing because of their healthful benefits and their cultural applications.
Carrie Hartman is on the science faculty at Fort Berthold Community College. Working with North Dakota State University, he and community members from the Mandan, Hidatsa, and Arikara nations have been trying to re-establish this plant that at one time provided important nutrition for local residents.
The actual impetus for the Juneberries came from the talking circles that were held for the NRE grant. They were mentioned repeatedly by elders, by practitioners, and by educators.
Hartman, a graduate of South Dakota State's Prairie PhD program, is now putting his natural resources knowledge to work. He and his team are trying to determine the ideal conditions for growing Juneberries. At a 500-tree test plot at Fort Berthold, and here at this community garden at White Shields, the plant is being put to the test. Samples are taken to determine which soil provides optimum growth. Various types of plastic used to retard weeds are being evaluated. Some plants are fed by drip irrigation, others rely on weather's precipitation. 3 different cultivars are also being tested.
We purchased 1-inch pot seedlings from the only supplier in the northern plains area, and we're going to try and correlate all of those factors to find out what's the best conditions for reestablishing Juneberries for the tribal members who'd like to have a plot.
The hope is that Juneberries will again become an important part of daily life. As one Fort Berthold elder expressed during a talking circle session, our home had apple trees, crab apple trees, a big strawberry patch, and plum trees. Now they are all gone. But the road back to that kind of life is one that will take patience and determination, especially with Juneberries.
We're hoping lots more for the future when we actually can harvest. Juneberries don't yield for 4 to 6 years, and when that is happening, we foresee elders and youth harvesting together, preserving together. So this is a long-term plan. We're planning on being here for 5 to 10 years minimum.